Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Daryl Guberman, the CEO of Guberman PMC LLC, a quality consulting firm here in Connecticut. We read an article most recently that Boeing needs to find an individual with rare traits. Now, I put my CV in, and as a shareholder, I would think I would have first run at it, especially a person such as myself. We have over 40 plus years in manufacturing quality, ranging in aerospace, medical implants, medical materials, printing, and plastic distribution, where we dealt with every industry. The title of this video is Boeing Needs a CEO with Rare Traits. QA expert and shareholder Daryl Guberman says he's the guy. And yes, I am. I have all those years of experience within the confines of manufacturing quality, and my background is composites, plastics. In fact, I will read you my background, ladies and gentlemen, business owners, and my fellow shareholders. I have a BS degree in business management. I took 10 technical diplomas from the Materials Engineering Institute, which is part of the American Society for Metals in Meadow Parks, Ohio, a great course of study. They are the following: aluminum and its alloys, corrosion, composites, the basics, composites, material and selection, principles of metallography, titanium and its alloys, principles of failure analysis, fundamentals of non-destructive testing, welding inspection, quality control, mechanical testing of materials. Now, these homogenized into these 5 technical disciplined diplomas from that organization. Composite engineering technology, non-ferrous metallurgy, testing and inspection, welding metallurgy, applied general metallurgy. Hardcore learning, Scranton, PA. Level 1 and Level 2, plastics, films, sheets, foams, and laminates. Certificate in plastic adhesives and coatings. Certificate in industrial plastics. Constep, Rocky Hill, Lean Awareness Kaizen training. Clean Harbors, Bristol, for hazardous containment. International Association for Plastic Distribution, a Plastic Certificate Program 1 and 2. Rensselaer Polytechnical Institute, Hartford campus. We're going to continue. In this video, in the description are the following featured articles and several videos, but the featured articles have the crux of why and how and why we should, as a shareholder, be the CEO of Boeing. They need an outsider. They need somebody who's going to roll up their sleeves. They need somebody who's not going to be playing golf. They need somebody down with the people, okay? I'm not scared to get my hands dirty, unlike, I guess, the rest of these people are. All right? Disaster after disaster after disaster, starting with McKerney, going through Muhlenberg, and up to Calhoun. And I'm going to say this, for those people who want to hear the truth about Boeing, it is impossible to comprehend the moral mischief, if I may so express it, that mental lying has produced in our society when a man or woman has so far corrupted and prostituted the chastity of their mind as to subscribe their professional beliefs to things they do not believe. They have prepared themselves the commission for every other crime. Yes, and that was by Thomas Paine. The following articles below are Boeing shareholder and quality expert Daryl Guberman issues warning to other Boeing shareholders. Attention, personal and confidential board members, Boeing quality expert Daryl Guberman, next CEO. Attention, FAA chief vows to hold FAA regulator Boeing 2009 to present accountable for safety violations. PR, FAA defends self-certifying policy for plane manufacturers after Boeing crashes. QA expert Guberman alerts CEOs to major airlines about Boeing being an FAA regulator 2009 to present. Boeing misdrilled holes on 50 undelivered 737 MAX jets. QA expert Daryl Guberman says more to come. AOG Technics, Pfizer, and J&J Boeing fudge processes to get products out. QA expert Daryl Guberman says. I'm going to leave the video here. But if you want, and I'm talking to the board of directors, if you want a demonstrative leader, If you want somebody who's going to get in there and change the aerospace industry, where Boeing will be back to where it should be and be a model to the aerospace industry, be on the cutting edge of the aerospace industry, I'm the person. For this is who I am. I love the man who can smile in trouble, who can gather strength from distress and grow brave by reflection. 'Tis the business of little minds to shrink. And he whose heart is firm and conscience approves his conduct shall pursue his principles unto death. Again, I always say this in my video as well, and that was from Thomas Paine. This is from Confucius. It is not the droplet of water that wears away the mighty stone, but it is its persistence. And the final one is from Dwight D. Eisenhower, because this is going to be the one that makes Boeing truly a great company again. It is not the size of the dog in the fight. It is the size of the fight in the dog. My telephone number is 203-556-1493 or Daryl, DARYL, TQRS@yahoo.com. Yes, and this video once again is Boeing needs a CEO with very rare traits. QA expert and shareholder Daryl Guberman says he is the one. I thank you.